The rib which the Lord God had taken from men made he a woman, and brought her unto the men. And Adam said, This is now the bone of my bones, and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of men.
We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing.
A long time ago,
Banks of an
there was darkness
stream.
in my life. But a light suddenly came, and that light was you. You renewed my perception in life. You love me in a way I have always wanted to be loved. Harold Dualmon, in front of all the people who are dear to us, I want to say na mahal kita. With this ring, I will give you my promise to honor and always show you respect, to stay by your side as your faithful, loving wife, in bad health and in good, in joy and in pain. I will continue to love you until I close my eyes on this earth for the last time. I love you.
We made our way to a hill beside the sea. With salt in the air and sand on our feet. We felt
I've always prayed for someone who is nice.
as it burned upon our skin. These memories will stay
God-fearing.
with me.
Responsible and decent woman. God has never failed to surprise and amaze me. He gave me you. I will love you even on my days, on the days I don't like you. I will love with you, not at you. I will support you. I will respect you. I will stand by you no matter what. I will love growing old with you. With God being the center of our relationship, we will and shall meet in between our differences and strengthen our positive character. I love you, Jacqueline. I really do.